Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today we journey to Alberta, Canada, where modular design meets comfort in a beautiful large luxury container home. Discover the perfect blend of coziness and affordability with this thoughtfully designed C-can home, a luxurious yet accessible space for modern living. Join us as we explore this cozy and affordable sanctuary, proving that modular container homes can offer both comfort and sophistication. A first for Bow Valley housing is being regarded as an affordable option within pricey mountain communities. As 6 C-can containers were lowered onto screw piles and locked into place this past February on a lot in Exshaw, there was curiosity as to what was springing up in the municipal district of Bighorn Hamlet. The modular home, after all, is the first of its kind in the Bow Valley. A single C-can or shipping container is a closed cell, high cube, steel structure of 8 by 40 feet, 320 square feet, that can carry up to 47,000 pounds. C-cans are one of the pieces in a building phase that could potentially lead to providing an affordable housing option in the Bow Valley, said Chuck Lemieux, owner and president of Block's Container Structures, which put the modular house together. They get leads every day for reserves, towns, and MDs that are just looking for solutions. At between $150 to $200 a foot to get a nice product, plus soft costs, it is one of the reasons why the 4-member family, who didn't wish to be named, is leaving the costly mountain town of Canmore for a new permanent home with a stick-frame garage in Exshaw, about 15 kilometers east. The affordability issue isn't unique to just Canmore, though, as affordable housing is a critical challenge in the whole Bow Corridor. As we wrap up our journey through this cozy and affordable modular C-can home in Alberta, we hope you've been inspired by the beauty of modular living. From its stylish interiors to its practical design, this large luxury container home shows just how comfortable and welcoming modular homes can be. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible designs from Alvinsa Studio. Until next time, embrace the art of modern living, stay inspired, and live beautifully. Farewell from Alvinsa Studio.